Alright, it's kind of loud, but my neighbor had this, he made this trencher. It's really for laying wire, but I'm going to use it to dig down because I only got to go down 12 inches for my water. So here we go. Oh, I got to put it in first gear. Alright, here we go. Wow. Okay, so for the sewer, I got to go down 5 feet to reach that little line way down there. So that's going to be a pain in the butt. So it took me a week to dig this trench. It's about 40 feet, maybe 30, down to that little post right there. And it's only 12 inches deep. So I dug this all with a pick and a trench shovel. So then I remembered my neighbor had a trencher that goes down at least, I don't know, 12, 18 inches. So we dug in the woods and we found it. I couldn't find it. I had to get his wife to help me out. But anyway, so just today I dug this trench. It's about 18 inches. Code says I got to go down 12 for my water line. And then I continued on all the way up to the house. So now the only thing left to do is to just use this trenching shovel and just kind of clean it out so I can get the pipe in there. But this is really good news. I'm going to need about 200 feet of pipe to get it up to the house, but this is really encouraging.